Okay, so in this technique comparison, we're going to first do a fanning manoeuvre, and we're going to time it. And of course, every single time we're going to be doing a comparison, because we're using this squeegee, we're not going to have any mistakes and detailing to do. So that window there was about 11 seconds, right? So another technique to, let's say, shave a bit of time off. You see window cleaners do this sort of thing. This window and door is moving, so I'll go a bit slower. That was about 10 seconds. So all I've really done is shaved off a second. Right, so the third technique is which you don't see the majority of window cleaners do, is the hardest manoeuvre to do. And it's a move that I wouldn't recommend 99% of the time for most window cleaners to practice. Just stick to coming down the glass using these tools. This is miles away from most window cleaners' work habits. Okay, but when you can get good doing this minimum manoeuvre, you will get this window cleaned quicker. That was 7 seconds. So I've shaved off 3 seconds off the manoeuvre that goes down, up, down. I'm travelling near enough twice as much length of the window than what I would do if I'm just going up and down like this. But for most people, just stick to coming down the glass, because 100% of the time, once you've got the right soap solution, once you're using 2 hands, you're always going to be quicker and getting better results than the window cleaners doing that time-saving technique. If you just come down the glass like this, because you're not going to have you're going to have zero detailing. That was 11 seconds again. Much easier to come down the glass. They go up and round. Leave all these time-saving techniques to the window cleaners that can't use liquidators, that will indefinitely, all their window cleaning lives, work longer, harder, slower, further than getting less results. But if you want to get to the best, use that minimum manoeuvre. But trust me, it's the hardest manoeuvre to do, and to get right might take you a few years.